hello, and welcome back to Adrian's Forge. I'm Scott, but you already knew that. You're probably thinking to yourself, hey, wait a minute, that's not a forge, that's a kitchen. But you've never forged in a kitchen before? Ah, don't be kidding. I'm here to discuss one of the most groundbreaking and monumentally huge problems that are facing this. I mean, we're talking spinning off into the sun huge. And my issue is that my scrubby brush needs to sit there. But yet, so, and this being a foraging show, let's go down to the forge and see if we can't make a solution. And don't forget, there's the comment section down there. Tell me what you think, and while you're down there, hit that like button, and I'll see you at the forge. Okay, so here we are at the anvil. I'm gonna be using this 3/8 rod. I'm gonna do this a bit different than normal. Normally I cut my pieces and then forge it. Now I'm gonna forge it and then cut it. So first thing we're gonna do is taper it. I've got over here a rough shape of what I want my hook to be. And I know pretty much basically how long I'm gonna want it, and I'll just go from there. So let's get cracking. Now I'm going to at the end taper I want. I'm going to do my little curly Q at the end. And we'll keep moving. Okay, here we are. Apparently, I lost the entire ending somehow. I'm not exactly sure. I was just massively stressed that night. So I'm going to kind of do a walkthrough now. As you can see, it's mounted. But I'm going to go back and give you a walkthrough of what happened last time. So, anyway, let's go. That's the proof that it works. So we walk up our wall and we go, okay. And we do our testing and we say, oh, it needs to be here. Okay, I took this, which is just obviously a 5/8 inch drill bit. I've been holding it here where I wanted it. I just went and I used it to make my holes, soda holes. Obviously fold it back. Because we're using these guys, and they need a 1/4 inch drill bit for the pilot. And you've got those nice holes that we started, so that and basically take you and not really hard, and then just slide right in. Once you got it in, because you'll still have the screws in there. I'll do one. And then just drive it all the way in until it stops like that, and then you pull it back out. And what that does is it splays those open and locks it into place. And then once that's done, and plus gives you more depth if you have thickness that you have to deal with. And then basically just put your screws in. And there you go, all fixed, all done. So now the only thing left for me to do is go throw this on the video and we upload it. And don't forget, you want to see what the next episode is, because I have no idea what it's going to be. So it's going to be a real surprise to everybody. So hit that subscribe and notify button so that you make sure you get those reminders, because you know how much you want to be reminded. And anyway, till then, remember, you're wonderful people.